Hello everyone, this is Japanish. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Katakana. Katakana is one of the three writing systems used in Japanese. It's mainly used for broad words, proper nouns, and foreign words, such as product names, brand names, and artist names like Chanel, Spitz, Albaito. Spitz is one of the most famous Japanese artists, and Albaito means part-time job. Knowing katakana is useful for improving your Japanese reading comprehension and vocabulary, as many words are written in katakana. Furthermore, learning katakana can make it easier for you to understand the information about Japanese culture and society. For example, manga and anime often use social expressions that include katakana. By understanding these expressions, you can become more familiar with Japanese pop culture. In summary, learning katakana is an essential skill in Japanese language learning. It can improve your Japanese reading comprehension and vocabulary, deepen your cultural knowledge, and make it easier to understand Japanese grammar. You need to memorize katakana's pronunciation and writing, but its pronunciation is the same as hiragana. So, if you can pronounce hiragana, it shouldn't be a problem. Let's write them down on paper and memorize them. As with hiragana, I prepared a chart from a to n. So let's practice pronouncing them together. Let's go. A, I, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, you, yo, la,り、る、 れ、れ、ろ、ろ、わ、わ、wo, wo, Well done. Now that you've learned hiragana and katakana, you can read all the Japanese, and you can also pronounce kanji if you know the hiragana pronunciation. So once you master hiragana and katakana, you're already a great Japanese learner. However, let's continue to learn more advanced words and kanji, and work hard to be able to watch anime and manga in Japanese. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.